Imagine a world without breathable air, without the bounty of seafood, a silent, barren ocean. That's the world without these microscopic powerhouses. They might be tiny, barely visible to the naked eye, but their collective impact dwarfs even the largest blue whale. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the ocean's true master builders. Did you know that every other breath you take comes from the ocean? You can thank plankton for that incredible oxygen factory. Explore the incredible photosynthesis process of phytoplankton, mirroring terrestrial plants but on a global scale. These tiny organisms are masters of converting sunlight into life. Their sheer abundance makes them the Earth's primary oxygen producers, more vital than any rainforest, churning out the very air we breathe across our planet. From the smallest krill to the largest whales, almost all marine life traces its energy back to plankton. They are the base of the ocean's living pantry. Unpack the intricate marine food web, showing how zooplankton graze on phytoplankton, forming the fundamental base of every oceanic ecosystem. Witness astonishing examples of megafauna like filter-feeding sharks and massive baleen whales directly relying on these minuscule organisms for their very survival. Plankton aren't just making air, they're actively fighting climate change, pulling immense amounts of carbon from our atmosphere. Discover the biological pump, how plankton capture atmospheric CO2 and transport it to the deep ocean, sequestering it for millennia. This is nature's own carbon capture system. Learn about cutting-edge research exploring how managing plankton populations could be a key strategy in mitigating future climate impacts. These tiny organisms hold big solutions. As our oceans change, what does it mean for these invisible architects, and by extension, for us? We're seeing alarming effects of ocean acidification and warming on plankton diversity and abundance. Their delicate balance is being disrupted. This emphasizes the urgent need for ocean conservation efforts to protect these fundamental organisms, ensuring a healthy planet and a stable climate for generations to come. The unseen foundation of life is vital for all life. Let's work together to protect it.